In this video, I will show you how to add Adblock on Google Chrome on PC. To get started, open up a Google Chrome browser, and what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the three dots, and from this menu that comes up, you want to come and hover over the extensions option. Now what it's going to do is bring up some more options. From here, you want to click the option which says Visit Chrome Web Store, and that's going to take you to the Chrome Web Store. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, come up to the search box at the top, and in here, you just want to type Adblock. So that's all one word like this, and then hit enter to search for Adblock. Now from here, you can see there's a number of different Adblocks available, but I would recommend using the top result, which is from getadblock.com. So give it a click, that's going to take you to the extension page. As you can see, it's currently got nearly 300,000 ratings and a 4.5 star overall average rating. From here, you're going to see a blue Add to Chrome button. Give that a click, and that's going to bring up a window like this. Click onto Add Extension, and what that's going to do is install the Adblock extension on Google Chrome. So once it's installed, it's going to take you to a screen like this. There is a premium version of Adblock as well, which you can upgrade to if you want to, but you don't necessarily need it to use Adblock on Google Chrome. Now, once it's been installed, what you can do is visit any website, and it's going to automatically block any ads. If for any reason you want to pause the Adblock or turn it off at any point, just simply come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome, click onto the extensions icon, and from here you should see Adblock come up. Give it a click. What that's going to do is bring up a window like this. Now, once you're on the website that you want to pause Adblock for, just come and simply click here where it says pause on this site. What that's going to do is temporarily turn off Adblock if for any reason you want to view ads to support the website or something like that. To turn it back on, just simply come back up and click onto extensions, click again onto Adblock, and you're going to see an option to resume ad blocking. Give that a click, and that's going to turn on Adblock again. And that is how to add Adblock on Google Chrome on your computer or laptop. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google Chrome and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.